This is a heart. Atrium, ventricle. V on the bottom for ventricle. The heart has 4 valves, remembered by my tri pulls all. Like a tube of toothpaste, the ventricles squeeze from the bottom, so mitral and tricuspid valves close first, then pulmonary and aortic. You can hear these valves slap closed through a stethoscope. Lub-dub, or fuck you, S3. Kentucky, Kentucky, or fuck, you're screwed, fuck, you're screwed. When your heart fails, you're screwed. S4. Tennessee, Tennessee, or well fuck you, well fuck you. S4 is caused by a stiff ventricle. The atrium has a hard time pushing blood and says, well fuck you, Mr. Ventricle. Help Hippo. Help support the Hippocratic Oath.